Hey there everyone, it's Tima here, and today I'm thrilled to take you on an island hiking adventure joined by my fearless friends. This is an adventure that promises not just thrilling challenges but also unforgettable moments of camaraderie. So buckle up and lace those hiking shoes because we're about to share an adventure that's all about exploring, bonding, and soaking in the raw beauty of nature. Let's go! Chilling at the edge of this total nature playground, which was basically our hangout for the day, this big warm fuzzy feeling hit us. I mean, seriously, we were just soaking it all in. The laughs, the crazy moments, the mind blowing views. They all matched up to make memories that are gonna stick around. And with the sound of waves doing their thing in the background, we couldn't help but reflect on how lucky we were to be living on an island paradise. And that's a wrap on our Bird Island escapade. From the muddy trails to the sandy shores, we've experienced it all together. Thanks for tagging along on this journey with me and my friends. Shout out to Maria, Don, Che, Kay, and Sheridan. Thank you for the shot at exploring, bonding, and soaking up Bird Island's raw awesomeness with me. If you've enjoyed the adventure as much as we have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you will be notified of our next adventure. Tell us in the comments about your favorite part of the video or your own island hiking stories. We love to hear from you.